Hello everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Really good to see you all again. It feels like it's been a while since I've just gotten to talk to you guys directly. Things have been pretty busy with weddings, grad school, work, all the things. But I just want to make a really quick video today from some things that I have learned over this summer and things I realized that I do that are mistakes that I need to stop doing. And I hope it'll be helpful for you if you guys find yourselves doing these. It'll just make your wedding films a whole lot better. So a few weddings ago, the couple after the ceremony was going down this big staircase and everyone was cheering as they were gonna go out to this car and drive around the block a few times, but it was a school exit. So I got them going down the stairs inside the church, and then for whatever reason, I stopped recording once we got to the door so that I could run outside because everyone's gonna come out and they were gonna get in their cool fancy car and then drive off. So I stopped recording, and then when I went back out, I never started re-recording. So I think I wanted to just have two separate clips or not keep rolling the entire time because I was just, walking through a door to save space on my memory cards, I guess. I don't really know why I stopped recording. If you find yourself always stopping and starting recording in between things just because you want to save battery or save space on your memory cards, there's a chance that you're gonna forget to press record again in the midst of, whatever maybe staggered events are going on throughout the day. So rule of thumb, just keep recording. 128 gigabyte memory cards are not super expensive anymore, and they should give you plenty of room. I know for a lot of you who shoot 4K, you might need more than that, just depending on what you're shooting. But if you're shooting 1080, that is way more than enough. Don't try to just save space like that. I'm not really sure if exactly that's why I did it, or if I just, as a reaction, just stopped recording because that part of the exit was done. But then when I got outside, everything was just happening so fast, I never started recording again. The sun was pretty bright on my screen, so I couldn't tell. I couldn't really see any of the settings on my screen. All I could kind of make out was the shot, the framing. Do not follow my mistakes. Keep rolling. And within that same vein, the second tip here, let's say that you're doing the session with the couple, it's just them two, or maybe with their bridal party doing the photos and stuff out in some field or something. Don't stop and start recording just in the one portion that you want to get them do their little pose, or hey, okay, you two look at each other and laugh now, go. Make sure that you're recording on the candid in-between things, because those shots tend to be the most natural. If they look at each other and just smile without being directed, or that's not part of the shot, you can use that in your video. So you don't just want to be like, okay, I'm getting my shot, okay, we're good, and then put the camera down and stop recording. Like, wait a few seconds after you're done recording that specific shot, because there might be something candid. Always be ready to shoot those types of things. I think I just put my camera down way too much after I get the specific shot that I was looking to get, and then I miss shots that I wasn't looking to get that are actually better. So the big tip here is just to keep recording. Don't just set your camera down, or don't, try to save space on your memory cards, or stop, start. You'll be way more apt to capture those extra moments and not miss anything big if you're just recording throughout this specific event or shot or groups of shots rather than stopping and starting. So those are just a couple quick tips on things that I have seen myself do and the mistakes I have made this summer. So the thing here is that I know that you guys have been watching my YouTube videos on how to shoot wedding films, but I'm no total expert. I am not the top tier of wedding filmmakers. I'm just not. And I'm still learning. So don't think that everything that I say you should just take at face value. So go try it out. Think critically about what I'm telling you. See if it'll work for you to implement into your wedding films, or if you disagree, please let me know in the comments below, or maybe you can add on and make some of these tips better. I want everyone to have the most full, complete picture. So if you have extra thoughts, leave them in the comments below. And if you want some more information, go check those comments, because maybe someone down there who is really an expert and really knows their stuff and has a lot of experience might be down there. So go check that out. And to end this video, I dislocated my shoulder last weekend, so here's some slow-mo video of that. See ya.